My name is Debbie and I work with the Adult Literacy Service, Laois and Offaly Education and Training Board. I'm going to demonstrate how to use the TTRS Touch, Type, Read, Spell application. To access TTRS, go into Google. Click on the search bar at the top of the screen and type in www.ttrsonline.com. Press the Enter key or click on your mouse. Click in the username box and enter your username. Your tutor will give you your username and password in class. Click in the password box and enter your password. Then click on the green box here to log in. You will start at Module 1 and work your way through the program, starting with letters, moving up to words, and eventually moving up to sentences. So while you are working through the program, you are progressing your reading, writing, spelling, and typing skills. To start, click on the blue tab here, Start Course.
Starting with the left hand, place your index finger on the F key. Next, take your right hand and place your index finger on the J key. If you're unsure about your hand position, check that you can see the G and H keys between your index fingers. Now place your thumbs on the spacebar. Start with the little finger on the A key and follow the on-screen hand guide. A.
So I'm now going to type with my little finger, my left hand, A.
Space.
Press the space bar.
A. Space. A. Space. Continue with the lines of E's, I's, O's, and U's.
So as you can see, you follow the instructions on the screen, type the letters, and press the space bar when you are told space. You will work your way through the levels and the modules at your own pace. You can leave this program at any time and come back to it whenever you want. You will continue on from where you left off. To leave the program, click on Quit. Do you want to save your progress before leaving? You will click on Yes, Save. To log out, you will click on Student and click on Log Out. The next time you log in, you will start where you left off. I hope you found this video helpful, and I really hope TTRS helps you out. Don't forget to check out our other videos from the LOETB How-To Series.